Newsletter 2025 January. Welcome to our 2025 January newsletter. Highlights. Strong growth predicted for UCO market. Market analysts predict Chinese UCO price increase. Stage 2 construction begins. Strong growth predicted for UCO market. As environmental concerns over traditional sources of energy increase, cooking oil, UCO, biofuels have emerged as a sustainable energy solution. By repurposing waste, they significantly reduce reliance on fossil fuels and decrease carbon emissions by up to 85% per gallon, making them a key tool in the transition to greener energy sources. In a study published by Market Research Future, the market for UCO is predicted to grow from $10.53 billion in 2025 to $18.26 billion in 2034, with a compound annual growth rate of 6.3%. This follows an impressive growth period in 2023 when the market was valued at $9.32 billion. Analysts predict Chinese UCO price increase. China canceled its 13% export tax rebate for used cooking oil, UCO, a key biofuel feedstock, effective December 1st, the country's Ministry of Finance and the State Administration of Taxation said in an announcement on Friday, November 15th. Market analysts predict a $100 to $150 per ton price increase for Chinese UCO. This follows news that effective December 1st, the People's Republic of China, PRC, Ministry of Finance and the State Administration of Taxation would cancel the 13% export tax rebate. Stage 2 construction begins. With cutting-edge facilities spanning 33,000 square meters, Huaibei Xinxing Huangyuan New Energy and Technology stands at the forefront of the biodiesel industry. Our advanced production line processes up to 100,000 tons of used cooking oil, UCO, annually, along with waste vegetable or animal oil biodiesel, WVO/WAO biodiesel, and industrial-grade blended oil, IGBO. In addition, in collaboration with the prestigious Chinese Academy of Sciences, we have established a dedicated R&D center for biodiesel and biomaterials. This partnership ensures we remain on the cutting edge of sustainable energy innovation. Huaibei Xinxing Huangyuan, XXHY, is taking a bold step forward with the construction of its second production line. This new facility is designed to produce a range of innovative bio-based chemical agents, including plasticizers, nucleating agents, coupling agents, and chain extenders. These advanced products are critical for various industrial applications, offering sustainable alternatives to traditional petroleum-based chemicals. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and its partnership with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, XXHY aims to not only enhance production efficiency but also set new benchmarks for environmental responsibility in the biochemical sector. Thanks again for taking time to read our newsletter. Looking ahead, we remain optimistic that the evolving business and governmental policy environment will stabilize, allowing both our clients and XXHY to resume normal operations seamlessly. I am also eager to explore any potential opportunities for collaboration as we navigate these changes together. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to reach out to us directly.